The home you purchase offers a wealth of benefits. Not only does it provide you with a sense of stability, security, and shelter to raise a family, but it can also serve as a foundation for building personal wealth. Some people may argue that a home is not an investment, but I disagree. In this video, I'll explain why owning a home can be one of the most effective tools to building personal wealth. Understanding the wealth impact of real estate takes analyzing life over an extended period of time. There is a saying, time solves all problems in real estate, because the longer you keep it, the greater the impact it tends to have on your financial life story. I believe there are 6 areas to understand when mapping out the wealth potential of real estate. The first is amortization, which is the equity you build with each mortgage payment. As you make a mortgage payment, a portion is used to pay down the loan balance. The less you owe, the more equity you have. I call this your housing 401k. It's additional net worth that you will one day realize either upon selling the home or taking cash out. The second is inflation protection. Over time, most everything rises. That includes the cost of goods, the income that you earn, and for renters, the rent that they pay. When you have a mortgage, you're fixing the payment. You then benefit from rising income, which gives you more discretionary money to invest and spend in other areas. And the third isn't always possible, but quite powerful when it is, and that's refinancing your mortgage. We just talked about the power of fixing living costs. Well, imagine pushing them lower. When you get a mortgage, you shop to get the best rate in that moment of time. But over time, rates might actually drop, allowing you to restructure your mortgage and lower the payment. Refinancing costs are minimal and in some cases completely free. Fortunately, my team has a mortgages under management promise, ensuring that you'll never lose out on the opportunity. And next is one that most everyone is familiar with, and that is property appreciation. This is the increase in value that the property experiences over time. Property values can go up for several reasons, including rising demand for housing, improvement to the property, or changes in your local economy. The historical average for home appreciation is 3 to 5%. For example, a $500,000 home that appreciates at 4% per year would be worth $658,000 in 7 years. That's a $158,000 return, or just over 30%. And another wealth factor of owning real estate is leverage. The equity you build in real estate can be used or borrowed for other investments, property renovations, or required life costs such as college, debt consolidation, or personal health and welfare events. Leverage, when used responsibly, can be a powerful tool to elevate your wealth. And the last one I'll cover is quite common, but not for everyone, and that's converting your home into a long-term rental. This is where the tenant is carrying the debt burden while giving you all the other benefits such as amortization, appreciation, and additional monthly income if the collected rent exceeds your mortgage payment. This is not risk-free, but a powerful wealth-building tool. They say that owning a home is the American dream. It has long been seen as a symbol of financial stability and success. But as with most investments, the sooner you start, the better off you'll be in your retirement years. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to talk more about your long-term real estate wealth building strategy, please don't hesitate to reach out.